Hello, hello, my beloved waking gods and goddesses. Welcome to Love, Truth, and Beauty. Do-it-yourself spiritual awakening for divine in the flesh, where together we learn how to surf and navigate the ups and downs of the totality of human experience, creating a new earth beyond the limitations of this perception-managed reality matrix of five senses, having discovered our true divine creative natures in our true sensual sensorial universe of seven senses, composing formless into form outside of the matrix in the true quantum field creation field universe. My name is Maria West, and I am your hostess of the highest, here to download, upload, inspire, and usher you into your bestest and brightest selves, your bestest and brightest light, and inviting you all to open your hearts wider and wider and wider still. Hello, darlings. So I wanted to introduce myself, and what we do here is utilizing cosmic sense, humor, and my potty mouth. I upload videos on do-it-yourself spiritual awakening, also known as waking the F up, exiting the matrix, guided healing journeys and meditations to deactivate trauma-based mind control and reset, up-level your health template back to its natural, divine, youthful vibrancy and radiance. I also share tips on balancing the masculine and feminine within to embody the heart-based new humanity in conscious relationships, conscious sexuality, self-care, self-love, reality creation, transurfing, and natural law. I upload videos every Tuesdays and Fridays, 2 p.m. Eastern. I invite you to join our portal by hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell and selecting the all setting. I thank you all so much for your time and consideration. Here's to your love, truth, and beauty, my divine ones. Mwah!